Hello. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are coming to use a braiding hair to do a simple curly. So I will start by combing the hair to make it smooth and neat. So I'll start by curling the hair using my curly rod. So with the coiling, you twist the hair and then you turn it. You twist, you turn. You twist and turn. If you don't twist it, you get a different kind of curl, and then we don't want that. So you can equally use a barbecue stick or hard straw for this process. So here I'm doing it again. You twist, you turn, twist, turn, you twist, turn, you twist and turn, so that you get the perfect curl. And I will trim the end to get the hair smooth. You know, it has a lot of residue and then I don't want that. So this is before me trimming it and after. So you see the difference. Yes. I place it in a mixture of hot water and pomade. If you have leave-in, you can also use it. And this is after it was dried. See how it is? It's really nice. So I will separate it into pieces so that the crocheting will be easy. And I am preparing to start with the crochet. You're almost done. So I start with the crocheting process. Sometimes I wonder why you keep talking like you don't give a fuck about me. You've got a piece of me, and honestly, my life wouldn't be the same without you. So I did this part off camera, and this is where I have gotten to so far. She moves like a dancing queen. She's attending for lie to me about your chance about falling in love. What makes you happy, what makes you drown, but what you want and what makes you bad. I'm giving a chance to make things right, but just be honest for once in a while. It was a part of a
So I'll start by trimming the ends, and at this point I saw that my mannequin head was not straight, and I'm sorry about that. Next time I will check before I'll start. Sorry. And after trimming the back, I came to the front. I want the front to be like a bun, a bun kind of wig. So I trimmed that into a very short one, which was nice.
Sometimes I wonder